Alright, today we're going to try out some noise cancellation mic. So hopefully these are pretty good. I just bought them and right now I'm not using it. I have the device that's supposed to plug into the phone right here. So what you're hearing is strictly through the phone. So I'm going to now plug this in. Make sure I get this right. So plug that in and see if it changes. Okay, so now the mic is on. So you should be hearing me strictly through the mic. So first off, we're just going to see how far I can get through my barn. And can you hear me just fine? And to tell if I'm pretty far away from my phone. So I'm not screaming, I'm just talking. And hopefully you can hear me just fine. So next thing is, well, that's fine. It's a mic. How's the noise cancellation? Well, we're out here in the barn. We got tools going on. We got dust collectors, and I got a big dust collector right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to test it. We're going to see how well it does. Got my remote right here. You can see the bag is deflated. Here in a minute, we're going to turn this on. I have some sawdust on the lathe. So you're going to see this sawdust get sucked up and the bag inflate. So we're going to do this right now. So the bag is on, dust collector is on. I don't know if you can hear the picking up all the wood chips, but I'm trying to make sure you can see that it's on and picking it up. So again, I'm kind of close to the phone, probably about 5 feet away or so. So I'm going to get closer to the dust collector and see, can you still hear me through this dust collector? And if you can, that's pretty good, because you can see right now, I'm literally right next to the dust collector. The bag is inflated, so it is on, it is running, no hoax there. So I don't know how well you guys can hear me. I'm assuming right there was pretty hard to hear me. Hopefully you can hear me better right now, but maybe not. I just shut it off. The bag is going to start deflating right now. And you're going to see that here in just about 3, 2, 1-ish. The sound's gone, so it should be starting to come down any second now, I would assume. But yeah, it's starting to, there it goes. You can start seeing it. It's coming down. So dust collector is off. So, okay. Maybe that did good, maybe not. I don't know. You guys are going to have to tell me, because I have no idea. I get cold out here in the barn, so I have a salamander. And anybody that has a salamander knows those things are loud. Dust collector's off, salamander's off. So we're gonna pause this, turn around so I can show the salamander and the dust collector, because I'm gonna run them both at the same time. Alright, so I had to move some stuff around. Make sure mic's still on. Yep, mic's still on. I see the green light. So I had to move some stuff around just so I can kind of get everything in the picture. But dust collector's off, salamander is off. So we're going to turn on the dust collector, get that going, and then I'm going to turn on the salamander, and we're going to see how well it does. Dust collector is on. You can see it's on. And now I'm going to turn on this salamander. So here it goes. And I'm going to kind of stand back here. You can see the smoke. It's going to have a little bit of fire coming out here in just any second. Once it gets heated up. And right there. See, it's getting hot. So it's on. The salamander is on. Dust collector is on. Step out of the way just so you can kind of see that. It is on. Now, I'm going back here again by the dust collector. Can you hear me? As you can see, I am right next to the dust collector. I'm literally right next to it. Motor's down there. It is a 2 horsepower motor. Ran at 220. got the salamander on. You can see that is on. I'm literally right next to the salamander. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm assuming you're having a hard time hearing me because these things, I'm having a hard time hearing myself. These things are loud, a lot going on. Now I'm close to the phone. Now I'm gonna walk across, go all the way over here on the other side of the barn. Can you hear me pretty good? I know I'm out of the picture, but I'm a good 25 feet from the phone. Now I'm walking closer to the phone. I'm getting closer to the salamander. I'm right next to the salamander, right here. That thing's on. Ooh yeah, getting nice and warm. Now we're gonna shut everything off. Just hit the off button on the dust collector, so it will be shutting down. We still have salamander. Salamander's still on. So now, once that dust collector gets completely off, so we know that that is off. I'm standing right next to the I'm right behind the salamander. Right behind it. You can see I'm right here. And that dust collector takes a while to get all that air out of there, but it's there. It's deflating. So you can see it's off. It's coming down. I'm going to shut this salamander off, and the salamander is off. Everything is off in the barn. I assume you can hear me pretty well now, but hey, I don't know. I haven't tested this. Just bought it, and I thought it'd be a good video to see how well these do. Not sponsored. I bought them myself, but I wanted a good, true review. So make sure you guys leave a comment. I will leave a link to this if I can. I know some social medias get frowned upon, but hey, if they're good, they're good. Later, everyone.